Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the service. MDVIP is a personalized healthcare program that prioritizes preventive care and wellness. Through their network of affiliated primary care physicians, they aim to offer a more proactive and comprehensive approach to managing your health. MDVIP distinguishes itself from traditional primary care by offering longer appointment times, more in-depth annual wellness exams, and enhanced access to your physician. This model fosters a stronger doctor-patient relationship, enabling a deeper understanding of your individual health needs and a more tailored approach to your care. One of the key benefits highlighted by MDVIP is the focus on preventive medicine. They emphasize early detection and intervention to mitigate potential health risks. Their comprehensive wellness exams go beyond routine checkups, often incorporating advanced screenings and assessments to identify potential issues before they escalate. This proactive strategy aims to keep you healthy and address potential health concerns in their earliest stages. Beyond the annual wellness exam, MDVIP emphasizes ongoing communication and support. Many programs include access to personalized wellness plans, health coaching, and digital tools to help you manage your health on a daily basis. This ongoing support aims to empower you to take control of your well-being and make informed decisions about your health. With increased accessibility to their physician, patients often experience a more personalized and responsive approach to healthcare. MDVIP acknowledges that personal healthcare needs vary greatly. Therefore, they offer a range of programs designed to accommodate different lifestyles and health goals. While specific offerings may vary depending on the affiliated physician and location, the core focus remains on personalized preventive care. By focusing on building strong doctor-patient relationships and providing comprehensive wellness resources, MDVIP strives to deliver a healthcare experience that's tailored to your unique needs. If you're looking for a more proactive and personalized approach to managing your health, exploring MDVIP could be a worthwhile endeavor. They offer a different model of care that emphasizes prevention and wellness, aiming to empower individuals to take control of their health journey.